everybody, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. It's downstairs right now, so let me go get it. Okay, so I'm back. The first slime I have is this pink one. It's this salmon color, and I made it with paint, glue, Fioni lotion from Bath & Body Works, and borax activator. So this is just a normal slime. It's not that rubbery, but it's kind of really runny. But that's all. So let me show you a quick little video. The second slime I have is this teal one. It's fluffy slime and bubbly slime. So it bubbles on the top and it's fluffy and really rubbery. So my third slime is this fluffy slime again. I don't know if it's bubbly yet, but I'm pretty sure it is. So it's a light yellow and it's super fluffy. I also forgot to mention that the last two slimes that I showed you, the blue one and this yellow one, are not that stretchy. And so the fourth one I have is this, it's really small, but it's this kind of green. It has these stars in it. Okay, so now I have this slime, but I don't want to take it out and poke it because I'm waiting for it to become clear, and I'll maybe do a video on it when it becomes clear, but right now I'm just waiting and it's super cloudy right now. I don't know if this counts as a slime because it's kind of a putty. You don't really hear the poking sound, so I don't know if it counts as slime, but yeah. Okay, so that was my last slime, but here are my sister's slime. I won't go over all of them, but I am going to show you them. Okay guys, so that is it for now, but here's a little clip of all my slimes like melting.